Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my second lecture on pH and pH meter. Lecture number 2. What is pH? pH electrolyte undergo dissociation in water and producing ion, hydrogen ion or the hydroxyl ion. Acid undergo ionization in water giving hydrogen ion or hydronium ion or hydroxyl ion. The thermodynamic definition for pH is defined as the negative logarithm of the activity of the hydrogen ion. pH is equal to negative log of the AH positive, the activity of the hydronium ion, or simply the hydrogen ion moles per liter. Acid and bases. So there is the Sorensen scale. The pH scale lasts from 0 to 14. And acids have lot of hydrogen ion and bases have lot of hydroxyl ion. So when there is much hydroxyl ion, then it is, for example, the sodium hydroxide has hydroxyl ion has pH 14 and HCl which has pH 0 or 1. A solution is neutral if its pH equals to 7. So 7 is hydrogen or hydroxyl ion is equal, and so it is neutral. And there is another pH which is called physiological pH, which is 7.35 to 7.45. So there are three types of the pH: neutral pH which is 7, physiological pH which is from 7.35 to 7.45. As pH value and different concentration of hydrogen ion, a scale is devised and named after Sorensen, who had developed it. The scale starts from 0 pH hydrogen ion concentration 1 or 10 raised to power 0. It means the solution is strongly acid. Or other hand, pH is 14, hydrogen ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 14. It means the solution is strongly alkaline. The central point of pH scale is 7 because hydronium ion is equal to the hydroxyl ion. Hydrogen ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 7. Why pH symbol is P is small and hydrogen is capital? The P is in pH stand for potence, meaning power in Danish. Since the scale was given by a Danish chemist Sorensen, hydrogen stand for hydrogen and its symbol. Hence hydrogen is written in capital letter. So it is pH. P is small and hydrogen, which is an atom, hydrogen ion, which is an ion, hydrogen ion, pH, power of hydrogen ion, base power 2. pH value and different concentration of hydrogen ion, a scale is devised and the scale start from 0. pH, hydrogen ion concentration, solution is strongly. What is the application of pH? Enhancing solubility, increasing stability, improving purity. Solubility of certain compounds depend upon the pH and the stability is also, and some proteins are separated depending upon their pH. Optimizing biological activity, it means that certain enzymes are pH specific and their activity is optimum at specific pH. Comfort the body storage product. Because it is based on the power of 10, there is a trick, 10 raised to power minus x, where x is pH. If molarity of the acid is 0.001 molar, it means 10 raised to power minus 3. The pH will be 3. If the molarity of the acid is 0.00001 is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5, then the pH will be 5. Because it is based on power of 10, there is a trick. If molarity of the base is 0.001 molar equal to 10 raised to power minus 3, the POH is 3 and 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. If the molarity is 10 raised to power minus 5, POH is 5 and pH plus POH is equal to 14 and pH is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. 12. So what is the importance of pH? The pH of various body fluids maintained within normal limit. Cancer cell grows well in acidic media. Thus acidic pH accelerate the mutation and the chances of the cancer and the possibility of the mutation. Dissociation of oxygenated hemoglobin to hemoglobin and oxygen occur in the presence of hydrogen ion. So in the body, in the cell, plasma cell, in the red blood cell, there is the production of water and carbon dioxide is produced, and this water and carbon dioxide combine to form H2CO3, and this H2CO3 is dissociated into hydrogen and HCO3, and then oxygenated hemoglobin come, giving rise to the oxygen and combine with the hydrogen ion to convert it into H hemoglobin and releases the oxygen. Biomedical reactions are enzyme catalyzed. Their catalytic activity is maximum at optimum pH. Blood plasma has molecules such as amino acid, lipids, proteins, and nucleotide which maintain their ionizable form by virtue of 7.4. So there is pH is important for our body. For blood has certain pH, our physiological pH. Cells are compartmentalized by subcellular organelle, and every organelle has its own pH. For example, lysosome, the VATPase produced inside the pH is less 5.5, so that it can break down the waste product into simpler one so that they can be utilized. Thank you.